Today we are talking about congruence. The word congruence means the same shape and the same size. So in order for two figures to be congruent, all of the sides and all of the angles inside the figure need to be the same. They need to be congruent. In the diagram below, we can see two triangles. These two triangles are not in the same orientation. They have been rotated and flipped, but we can see some symbols on the triangles that tell us that they are in fact congruent. These symbols up here on each triangle, the little dash symbol like this, states that they are the same. And also on these sides, we have the 2 lines and the 3 lines. All of these symbols mean congruent. Means this side here is the same as this side here. So side ED is congruent to side AB. And also side BC is congruent to side EF. There are also some other parts of the diagram that tell us that these two triangles are congruent. These two shapes are the same. We have these angles here. The red ones have the 3 lines on them, which means they are congruent. The 3 lines over here means congruent. And same with the blue angle, 2 lines here, 2 lines here, means that they are congruent. And the little angle here, angle BAC, and angle EDF has the single line, so that means they are the same as well, which means they are congruent. Ways to write congruence are, we can write triangle ABC is congruent. This symbol here means congruent to triangle DEF. So the symbol for congruence is a lot like the equal symbol, but it has an extra line. And that means congruent. Congruent or congruence means that they are the same size and the same shape. So it basically means that they are identical. We can also write that the angles of a triangle are congruent. So we can say angle ABC is congruent to angle DEF. And we can do that for all the angles. We could say BAC is congruent to EDF, and so on. But we don't really need to write about all the angles. We can say all of this with our one statement that says triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. The 4 standard congruence tests for triangles are side, 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 where the 3 sides of one triangle are equal to the 3 sides of another triangle. The next proof is side angle side. 2 sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal. The angle that is included has to be in between the 2 sides in order for them to be congruent. The next rule is angle angle side. 2 angles and one side of one triangle are equal to 2 angles and the matching side of the other triangle, where the angles and sides can be in any order. And the last proof of congruent triangles is right angle side, or the hypotenuse of one side of one right angled triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right-angled triangle. We will talk more about these proofs in our next lesson. Thank you.